Today we are looking at a basic seed cleaning setup. This is an order we just put together for a customer. He ordered this brand new Javelin 16-4 auger. This is what's going to feed his Clipper 27. He bought both of these units from us. Now this customer wanted to save money, so he ordered this Clipper 27 mechanically sound. Mechanically sound means we go through all of the working components, we inspect them, repair them if needed, and make the unit right with no cosmetic restoration. Again, this Clipper 27 is mechanically sound. In a minute, we will fire these units up for you so you can see them run. Before we do that, we are going to do a walk around of these units. You can see down inside of the seed cleaner here, it is currently loaded with corn screens. The gentleman that bought this cleaner bought a variety of screens from us. You can see the brush drive on this unit. Everything has been gone through. We also installed this 4-inch clean grain discharge auger on this seed cleaner. That auger is brand new and is equipped with the poly plastic screw for gentle handling of the crop. If I pull up on the clean out door, there's a little white plastic auger in there. This clean out door is very handy. That allows you to clean out all of the product when it's time to store the unit, and that really cuts down on your mice and pests. This auger right here you may have seen before. This is the Javelin 16-4 4-inch auger. We manufacture this unit and sell them brand new. It has variable height. The minimum height of this unit is 7 feet 7 inches, and the maximum height of this unit is 11 feet with the discharge removed. It's easy to raise or lower this unit. Simply crank this winch here. This unit is equipped with the variable speed drive. It allows you to turn the knob and tailor the inflow of product into the machine perfectly to the needs of your crop or the feed rate of the machine. It also has this reverse switch on it that allows you to change the direction of the screw. Say I'm done running product, I can hit the reverse switch that will turn the auger in reverse, and it will allow you to get it perfectly cleaned out. This is also handy in the event of a plug. If you plug your auger, hit the reverse switch and it will back it back out. Now we are going to fire everything up so you can see it run. To turn the Javelin auger on, I have it in the forward position. I hit this switch. It will power up and take off. Now it's not running at 100% right now. I just turned it to 100%. That's full speed. You can see it hums right along. There are no irregular noises. Now this particular auger is equipped with the plastic screw. So that means it will be gentle and easy on the product that goes up into the grain cleaner and is handled up and through the auger tube. I can slow it down if I want to run it slower. Say I need to feed the cleaner super slow, I can do that just by turning the knob. That slows the auger screw to a crawl. And if I want to speed it up, I just turn the knob to the right. Very easy to adjust. Now if I want to clean the auger out, I turn it to the stop position, and then I turn the switch to the reverse position. That'll run the auger in reverse. Note that when running the auger in reverse, do not exceed past 50. Now we're going to fire the seed cleaner up for you. All right, here you can see the seed cleaner running. This is a Clipper 27 seed cleaner. This unit is mechanically sound. All of the systems and wear components have been checked over, repaired if need be, and this unit has been made right again. It is ready to go out and perform for a long time. You can see the fan moving inside of the fan housing there. You can see the brushes cycling beneath the screens. Now this unit is equipped with the roll feed hopper. That is good for even dispersal of grain across the screen. You can see the brushes cycling back and forth inside of the shoe. That right there is the brush drive system. This is the discharge auger. Now it has a two-way bagging valve on it, so that's handy. When one bag or one tub is full, I can put an empty one right next to it, hit the valve, and then there's no loss of product. Everything on this unit hums right along. Everything works as it should. This Clipper 27 is powered by a 2 horsepower, 220 volt, single phase electric motor. And the Javelin auger is powered by a 110 volt, single phase electric motor. You can turn the Javelin on and run it with the cleaner. The Javelin is running at full tilt. This is a mock-up of a basic seed cleaning setup. You would have an auger to take your product from the gravity flow wagon or other bulk handling container. It would deposit it into the top of the cleaner. The cleaner would clean it. It would take out the impurities like pods, stems, dust from the field. It would be discharged out the clean grain auger. And then from the clean grain auger, it could be discharged into a bucket elevator or a second Javelin to be then deposited into another gravity flow wagon or other grain processing machine. This is a mock-up of a basic seed cleaning setup. Thank you for watching.